In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails and Outlook rules for a cleaner inbox. If your inbox feels overwhelming, rules can quietly sort new messages the moment they arrive. So you spend less time dragging emails around and more time focusing on what matters. Let's start in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Open Settings by clicking the gear icon, then choose Mail and select Rules. Here is where the magic happens. Click Add New Rule and give it a clear, memorable name, something like Newsletters, Receipts, or Project Updates. A good name makes it easy to find and adjust later. Next, add a condition. Conditions tell Outlook which messages the rule should act on. You can target emails by the sender using From. Look for phrases using Subject Includes, or get broader with Subject or Body Includes. If you are filtering newsletters, try Subject Includes terms like newsletter or the sender's domain. Think about how those emails commonly appear and use that to your advantage. Now choose what should happen to those messages. The move to action is the most popular. Pick a destination folder. Many people like to create a read later folder for non-urgent items. This keeps your main inbox focused while still keeping everything accessible. You can also combine conditions and actions to make your rules more precise as your needs evolve. If there are special cases, add an exception. For example, you might move most marketing emails, except ones that include invoice in the subject. Exceptions prevent important messages from being tucked away where you might miss them. When your rule looks good, click Save to activate it. A quick tip: send yourself a test email or wait for the next one to arrive to confirm it's working as expected. If it isn't, tweak the condition wording until it catches the right messages. Now, for classic Outlook on the desktop, the fastest way to create a rule is right from a message. Right-click the email, choose Rules, and select Always Move Messages from this sender. Pick the folder, and you are done. Future emails from that sender will go straight there. If you want more control, right-click a message, choose Rules, then Create Rule. From here, you can set criteria like subject keywords or even mark messages with high importance. This is great when you need to spotlight urgent emails while calmly filing away the rest. With these approaches, you'll have a cleaner inbox that organizes itself. A few precise rules go a long way, and you can refine them anytime as your workflow changes. Thanks for watching.